welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pads on my Kia Rio 2019. This is simple DIY. You can do at home if you follow this step carefully. Please remember, safety is very important when using your car. Before we start, let me show you the tools I'm using today. A long nose plier, 40mm ratchet, 17mm wrench, 40mm wrench, take caliper lubricants, and new brake pads. These are all you need to replace the brake pads on Kia Rio.
First, I am going to remove the rear wheel. Next, lift the car using hydraulic jack and secure it with the jack stand in the correct position. Now, I'm taking the wheel off the hub and setting it aside. To remove all rear brake pads, we just need to take off these bolts using 14mm wrench, and when we tighten them later, we'll need 14mm and 17mm wrench to tighten the bolt properly. Now I am removing these bolts. They are a little bit tight. When we tighten them later, we have to be careful not to over tighten because that can damage or even break the bolt. So take your time and do it gently. Now we can pull the brake caliper out and remove the old brake pads. I'm just using the wrench to help pull it out. Give it a gently push, it's not hard. Anyone can do this easily. I'm going to hang the caliper to side so it doesn't get the way while we replace the pads. I'm just taking these clips off. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Gently remove the old brake pad using the flat screwdriver. Now I removed the both brake pads and we can repair the old ones with the new ones. In my case, the old brake pads could probably run another 1000 kilometers, but it's always better to replace them early. The brakes are one of the most important safety components in your car, so we need to pay special attention to their condition. Now we just put a little bit caliper lubricant like I'm doing here. This helps avoid squeaking noise and make the brake pads move smoothly. Now I'm going to push the piston back. I am using long nose plier to do this. Just rotate it clockwise and it will automatically push back into the place. I'm sure you remember these clips we set aside earlier. Now it's time to put them back in place. We almost done the job. Now we put the caliper back onto the bracket. This is how you change the rear brake pads on 2019 Kia Rio. It is very easy. Don't worry or panic. You do it yourself, just I am doing. No need to spend money on mechanic. You only need little time and a small amount to buy the brake pad. If you think this video is helpful for learning DIY, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. It will help others to learn too.